Hey guys, Itchy Richie here, itching to scratch some more tickets for you. We have got a $20 session today, a $200 million cash explosion ticket, and a $250,000 50x cash word ticket. This ticket's brand new. It's been out since Monday, I believe. So, let's start off with this cash explosion ticket so we can get it all in frame. There we go. Looking for a 20x or a money bag symbol on this. Go ahead and get our numbers out of the way. 6, 21, 22, 31, 3, 2, and 40. Now this is ticket number 40. Let's see what we got here. We got 3. Hey, we got a winner. We got a winner already. 13, 14. Make a little mark there. 38, 37. It's always nice to get the winner right on the top row there. 15, because you just never know. Could be something more than that. 10 and 35. 11, 19. Be good if they had some friends. 2. Hey, we got another winner. All right. 5, 7, 8, in the general direction. 27, 29, 21. We've got 3 matches. 36, 24. Got 4 matches. 40, 3. 5 matches. Wow. 31, 6 matches. 9, 4, and 23. So what did I say? 6 matches? My goodness. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. 25. Oh man. 25. Where's my next one? 50. Oh my goodness, we have got ourselves a nice one here. Okay, so 40. Let's see, 3. Another 50. 31. Another 25. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing one. Where's the last one at? Where are you at? 21. Here we go. 25. So we have got 25, 50, 100, $200 winner. We have got a $200 winner. Wow. Well, I would have to say we are in the profit zone there. My goodness.